I hope you'll remember this. I am here because I love my country and I love the Filipino people. Sinabi ko sa inyo noon, huwag na magka-diferensya tayo. Kunting bagay, okay lang sa akin. I apologize for kayo. Pero sabi ko, wag lang ang bayan. Kasi pag bayan na, wala na tayong pinag-usapan. It's a country. Now, if I do not make it to the finish line at the end of my term, malawak pa yan eh. It's uncertain.